you're welcome to part 3 of our Cortina school shoe. So welcome to part 3 of our Cortina school shoe. Now you can see I've applied my adhesive here. This was where we stopped. I had already positioned all of this, and we have this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and place this. Now you want to know where your counterpoint is. I have already marked my counterpoint, so I'm going to go ahead and place this one where my counterpoint is. Now don't forget our what did they call it? We have not even fixed our buckle. Hey. So let's quickly do that. So our buckle is going to. Now you want to ensure that you have enough swinging like this. You can see swing. That's very important. So our punch plier, and if it's a punch that you have, you can go ahead and use it. So we're going to be placing it here, right here. So I'm going to be using about 1 inch inwards, about 1 inch, or 3/4 of an inch. Where's my? So I'm going to use about 3/4 of an inch. So it will be here. 3/4, yes, 3/4 is okay. Hey, I pour my rivet away. Why now? Why now? So I'm going to use rivet to hold that down. I'm not putting it inside. So I'm going to put this. Let me just fix this one before I continue. I'm supposed to have done this, eh? Why am I just doing it now? Somebody help me. Where's my plier? So this is going to be here. So I'll just use my pliers to press it down there. So I will just reduce this whole part. I'm using leather so that it will stay for a long time, so that it will be durable. It came with an iron. This iron came with it. Now this is not like the local what do they call it? Local one. So this ones are not local. You find that even the iron is stronger. You understand? But I prefer to use that leather there. It's better as far as I'm concerned. So let's go into the lasting process. So I'm going to first of all try to pull this. You understand? That is our first assignment. We want to pull this part. That's the front part. Ensuring that this is at the right point. At the back here is at the right point. So after that, we are going to go to the side. You understand? We are going to go to the side. Can you see what I have right here? I'm going to use my lasting plier. Understand? We are still working on the lining first. We are working on the lining. So I'm sure you can see that now at this point, this is already manifesting different look. So I'm going to correct it. Then we are going to go ahead and then. So I'm sure you can see me pulling and raising this part up a bit. You see that I'm pulling and holding this part so that it will stay there. Can you see that? So we'll come to this side and also do the same thing. Raise it up a bit. And then, can you see what I'm doing? So you can see what this is. Just make sure you maintain this part. So we have already successfully done this. So at this point, we are going to cut our toe stiffener that we are going to place on this side. That's the next thing. Of course, before we do that, we want to also come to this side. So you can see this. Let's go to this one. Now, like I told us earlier, now I could not use these feather lines because the pattern in the first instance was meant to be used for size 36, and you can imagine me using it for size 38. You understand? So, but because I already understand the process, that's why I was able to use it. Otherwise, it will not work for some other people if they try the same method. So you can see what it looked like here. I'm just going to go ahead with this. And you see what this look like. So let's go ahead and the second one, I'm going to punch. Our pattern for toe stiffener, I think it's somewhere here. Let me check if it's going to work for this. Can you see it's here? So that's what we're going to be using as our toe stiffener. That's the pattern. So for the toe stiffener, that's why I'm applying the contact adhesive. You get what I mean? I hope you get it. Now, for me, I will tell you that it depends on where you want it to stop. If you want to fill the whole place with toe stiffener, but I think you just need a little, just a little part of this, of that toe part, just a little is fine. You understand? Am I going to show us this one too? I'll try. If I can, if I cannot, stop. You see me bring it back. It's okay now, see? I think so. I'm following you. So we just allow this to dry. Then we proceed from there.
Specify.
So I have applied the adhesive on it. I'm just going to try to